Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with PayPal affiliate authentication step by step clearly. To begin, navigate to the PayPal affiliate program website. Click on the option to sign up if you do not have an account yet. Fill in the required personal information to create your account. After registering, check your email for a verification link from PayPal. Click the verification link to confirm your email address. Log in to your newly created PayPal account. Once logged in, search for the affiliate program section in your account dashboard. Carefully read through the terms and conditions of the affiliate program. If you agree, proceed to accept the terms. Next, you will need to provide additional information about your website or platform. Input details such as the URL and type of content you create. Submit your application for review by the PayPal affiliate team. Wait for the approval email, which will indicate if you are accepted into the program. Once approved, log back into your PayPal account. Locate the tools or resources for affiliates in your dashboard. Here you will find unique affiliate links to use in your promotions. Copy the provided affiliate link for the products you wish to promote. Be sure to track your performance and sales through the affiliate dashboard. Regularly check for updates and promotions to maximize your earnings. Follow best practices for promoting your affiliate links to ensure success. Now you're ready to start earning with the PayPal affiliate program. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.